My name is Kristian Hansen Mossberg, and I work as a software engineer in the Lake team here at Lab.gruppen. We have very high roof here, so to speak. We can say almost anything to each other and come with new ideas, and we educate each other. We laugh together, we have fun together. Lake is our flagship product, and it's the industry standard in audio processing. We work with Clair Global, Clair Brothers, Adamson, Freitag, a lot of the biggest names in the industry. We test everything religiously here at Lab.gruppen. Our products are very complex. We have a large testing room with 90 amplifiers where we can run all the large-scale tests. So when we deploy a new release, we can know for sure that it's been tested on the large system and that it will perform also for our clients. What makes me happy at work is the communication with our customers. When we deliver a new feature and see them using it, I mean, that's a great experience.